Today's house we love is an elegantly restored villa in the region of Puglia. In the heart of the historic centre of Tuglie, it's only a short drive to the coast and the many lovely seaside resort towns. Thanks to the excellent condition and location, it would make a wonderful second home or holiday rental investment. The spacious main living has retained several design features which give this home so much character, while also feeling very modern and fresh. Adjacent to this is the quaint, bright dining kitchen. On the ground floor, the star-vaulted ensuite double bedroom leads to a private veranda, which is also a convenient second entrance to the home. From the wonderful roof terrace, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the town toward the Gulf of Gallipoli. With an asking price of €110,000, it offers a unique opportunity for anyone looking for a truly turnkey property in a desirable location. For more information about this home, a link to the original listing and Realtors' contact information can be found in the video notes below. Also, if you'd like to see more homes like this, please check out liveyourdreamitaly.com.